Car companies hide powerful features in places nobody checks. Not gimmicks, real tools that save money, reduce risk, and fix daily driving problems. Today, I'm breaking down 10 secret car features you should be using right now. Let's start with something simple that almost everyone misses. Number 1, the fuel gauge arrow. You pull into a gas station, you stop, then realize wrong side. Now you're awkwardly circling the pumps. Here's the fix. Look at your fuel gauge. That tiny arrow next to the gas icon, it tells you exactly which side your fuel cap is on. Left arrow, cap is on the left. Right arrow, cap is on the right. No guessing, no wasting time. Once you notice it, you'll never forget it. Now let's move to something most people don't even realize is built into their seat. Number 2, headrest escape tool. Imagine your car goes into water. Doors won't open. Electronics stop working. Your headrest can save you. Pull it straight out. Those metal prongs aren't random. They're designed to break side windows. Push the metal ends into the corner of the glass and apply pressure. The window shatters outward. This has saved lives during floods and accidents. Take 10 seconds today and learn how your headrest comes out before you ever need it. Next up is a feature that helps you drive safer every single night. Night mode rear view mirror. You're driving at night, someone behind you has headlights brighter than the sun. Flip the small tab under your rear view mirror. That's night mode. It instantly dims glare while keeping visibility clear. No squinting, no distraction, just safer night driving. This feature has existed for decades, yet most drivers never touch it. Now let's talk about a feature that exists for worst-case scenarios. Hidden trunk release. Every car made after 2002 has this. Inside the trunk, there's a glow-in-the-dark release handle. Pull it, the trunk opens from the inside. This has saved children and adults after accidents and entrapments. Find it, show your family. This is not optional knowledge. Next is something small that prevents very big accidents. Floor mat locks. Loose floor mats can slide under your brake pedal. That has caused real fatal crashes. Those hooks or clips on your floor, your mats are designed to lock onto them. Secure them properly and they won't move at all. It takes 10 seconds and it can prevent losing control at highway speed. Now let's fix one of the most annoying parking problems. Door edge protection. Tight parking spot? You open your door, bang, instant regret. Many cars have built-in door edge guards. If yours doesn't, aftermarket ones cost almost nothing. They absorb impact and protect both cars. Cheap solution, expensive problem avoided. Coming up, a feature most people disable without realizing it. Auto-dimming side mirrors. Bright headlights from behind aren't just annoying, they're dangerous. Many cars have auto-dimming side mirrors that work with your rearview mirror, but they're often turned off in the settings. Turn them back on. Less glare, better visibility, safer lane changes at night. Now let's talk about a button people press without understanding it. Recirculation button. Stuck behind a smoky truck? Bad smells flooding your car? Hit the recirculation button. It stops pulling air from outside and reuses the air inside your cabin. Cleaner air, faster cooling, less strain on your AC. Use it in traffic, tunnels, or allergy season. Next is a feature that can save you money in winter. Wiper de-icer vents. Frozen wipers. You turn them on anyway. Motor burns out. Instead, turn on the defroster. Hot air vents at the base of the windshield thaw the wipers safely. Wait a few minutes, no forcing, no repairs. And finally, a safety feature people adjust once incorrectly. Adjustable seatbelt height. If your seatbelt cuts into your neck, it's wrong. Most cars let you adjust the belt anchor on the door pillar. Position it across the middle of your shoulder. More comfort, better crash protection, 5-second fix that matters every time you drive. Your car already has these features. You paid for them. Go check your vehicle. You'll find at least 3 you weren't using. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more car tips that actually matter. Comment which one surprised you the most. See you next time.